Welcome to my detailed review of ActiveCampaign CRM. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this robust customer relationship management software. ActiveCampaign stands out in the crowded CRM space for its powerful marketing automation capabilities, ease of use, and integrations. I'll walk you through its features step by step, sharing my personal experience and insights along the way. Let's start with the interface. When you first log into ActiveCampaign, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard. The navigation is intuitive, making it easy to access key areas such as campaigns, automation workflows, and contact management. One of the highlights of ActiveCampaign is its drag-and-drop email builder. It's perfect for creating professional-looking email campaigns without any coding skills. Now, let's dive into automation. ActiveCampaign offers a robust automation builder that enables you to create advanced workflows. You can set up automated sequences for email follow-ups, lead nurturing, and even sales tracking. For example, you can trigger an email series based on user actions like opening an email, clicking a link, or visiting a specific page on your website. The platform also excels in contact management. It allows you to organize contacts using tags, custom fields, and lists. This level of customization is a game changer for targeting and segmenting your audience effectively. Integration is another strong suit of ActiveCampaign. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Shopify, WordPress, and over 850 other apps, allowing you to connect your entire tech stack effortlessly. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, which can help you further optimize your marketing strategies. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. Another noteworthy feature is reporting. ActiveCampaign provides detailed analytics on campaign performance, automation metrics, and contact engagement. These insights are crucial for refining your strategies and improving ROI. Additionally, the mobile app ensures you can manage your campaigns and contacts on the go, a huge plus for busy professionals. ActiveCampaign also offers a variety of plans to fit different budgets and needs. The pricing starts at a reasonable level for smaller businesses, with options to scale as your business grows. The platform provides excellent customer support through live chat, email, and an extensive knowledge base. Overall, ActiveCampaign is a versatile and feature-rich CRM that delivers exceptional value for businesses looking to streamline their marketing and sales processes. It's especially ideal for small to mid-sized businesses focused on email marketing and automation. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications about future reviews. Your support helps me create more in-depth content like this. See you in the next video.